Here is a multiple choice question on transformation of functions. Match the graph of the function f of x equals to square root of 4 minus 2x. I'll request you to pause the video, copy the question, solve it, make a selection, and then look into my suggestion. Now, to solve these kinds of questions, we can have two different approaches. Let me show you both. So let's work on the right side, and let me write here solution. Now, the first approach is, since domain actually decides which is the right one, we should start with the domain of the function itself. Now, square root function domain is that 4 minus 2x should actually be greater than or equal to 0. So let's solve for this. So we can take minus 2x to the right side. So get 4 is greater than or equals to 2x. And then dividing by 2, we get 2 is greater than or equals to x. That means x is smaller than or equal to 2. Now with that, we have the choice, which one? So there is actually only one choice, which gives you x is less than or equal to 2. So you can write this as x is less than or equal to 2, right? And the option is B. So that is the right solution for this given question. Now I will also like you to see or sketch the graph depending on transformations. And let's take transformations now into consideration. Now we have already answered the question. The idea is how to see from transformation point of view. So I'd like you to write this equation f of x in a different way. So what we can do is, we can factor out minus 2. When we factor out minus 2, what do we get? We get x minus 2. And from transformation, also we can find that the answer is B, right? Since it is reflection on the y-axis, right? If you want to do this, sketch this graph, then what are the steps? Normal function is kind of like this. This is square root of x, right? Now, if you do this, it gets reflected. This is square root of minus x. That's the next step, right? Now, stretch. This is horizontally compressed, so it becomes kind of more like this, right? So this is square root of minus 2x. Let me use a different ink for the other graphs. So what we can do now is, we have to shift it 2 units to the right, and therefore we get this function, correct? Which is starting from 2, and that is the right answer. Well, for each, y-intercept is 2, which you can always check. So that gives us option B again. So with both, just checking the domain or by transformations, you can get the right answer. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.